So, uh, hi everyone, and today we are going to discuss regarding. Uh, I want to have a conversation with you guys. This conversation is going to be between me and the person who is who is doing everything that he can to achieve his or her better version. You all have aware that we have started this journey to be more progressive, to be more powerful, to be more influential, to be more better. We decided to be the better version of ourselves. We decided to strive for it. We decided that we will do anything to achieve our version that is unprecedented to us, that is latent. We will explore our latent self. We would explore our potential. We would do the things that we never did in the past. And we decided to be on the track at any situation. So we have come so far, and I hope that you all are coming with me. You all are on the tracks. So it's have been a month, more than a month, that we are on this journey, and years are ahead. We have to be on the track. We cannot afford to be derailed. So far, we have come here, not to stop here, not to quit. It's tough. Indeed, it's tough. Yeah, well, this is the reason that we are doing this. If it is, if it would not have, it would not have tough. It If it would not be tough, we would not have been doing this. Every person in this world, most of the people are engaged in entertainment. They are doing what they are liking, and they are liking what is easy, what is rubbish, what what is not progressive, or what is not growing themselves. They are engaged in the activities that are not developing themselves. They are even deteriorating. They are ruining their life. They are ruining their self. They are ruining human potential. And some of us are going ahead to make our better, to make ourselves better, to make ourselves powerful. Because power is the only key through which you can do anything. You can make the world. You can make the people's life. You can make your life. You can give your own example that I have. If you want to teach someone the lesson, the best the best way is to take example. And if it is your example, then you would be the most influential person, or the most influential part of the lesson. If you want to teach someone, then you must have be experienced enough of the path that you are suggesting to that person. If you want someone, please do not smoke, quit it, then you must have quit. You should be the person, you must be the person that who have come through that particular path. I know, I hope that you are understanding my words, my feelings. We are not here doing this, all this, to just, kind of just make a streak. But we are here to make ourselves developed, to make ourselves grow, to make ourselves stronger, more influential, more powerful. And it is indeed a gradual process. It will take years. This is the very beginning, bro. We are we are supposed to we are supposed to move miles and miles, thousands, lakhs of miles. But that the journey, you must have heard that the journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step, and we are on our single step. We are taking this gradual step towards the journey that is everlasting. But still, the growth would be traceable when at least 2 or 3 years will happen. This is the month. We have to we are supposed to enjoy it. Yeah, we are on the track. It's tough. Yes, indeed tough. It's boring. Yes, indeed, it is boring. You don't want to do it anymore. You want to quit. You want to watch videos. You want to do what you want. You want to play with your friends. You want to talk girls. You want to chat. You want to, scroll the videos on YouTube shorts. You want to like, or you want to watch reels on Instagram. You want to sleep. You don't want to go anymore to the ground and just run. You don't want to write. You don't want to write. Yes, it's happening. It's happening. And and the frustration that you are dealing with, the thoughts that you are going through, the idea of quitting, it's natural. Let me tell you, it's natural. If you are thinking that no, nothing is changing, it is the evidence that you are changing. If you think that you are on the track but nothing is, noticeable, the growth is not noticeable enough, it is happening. You're making the base, you're making the pedestal. The base, it takes, you know, it takes longer time to make the base of any building. And a strong base needs time. It's need preciseness, it's need concrete, it's need toughness. Yes, because then only it would be able to hold the kind of weight of tons of the building. You are making the base, it take time. We are here, we are doing it. We are not even liking it sometimes. We are frustrated enough that we are not even to hold a pen. We don't get ideas. We don't know what to do. We are just bored enough. We don't talk to people. We are thinking that we are going in the wrong way. We think that we don't have any direction. We think that we are not growing. Even we are just wasting our time. It's not the case, bro. It's not the case. Yes, you are growing. I'm saying, yes, you are growing. I have three questions to ask, and if you have the affirmative answer of those questions, yes, you are growing. Let me clarify you. If these answers are not good to you, or the answers are not favorable, then you must be conscious about where you are going wrong. The first question is, are you tired enough that you don't want to do it? Your answer is yes. Do you think that you're not growing enough? You're not, even growing a little bit, but you're just kind of uh, going round and round through a park, not moving ahead? Yes. Do you think that you're not able to do it, even you're not able to continue it even for tomorrow? Yes. Congratulations, my brother. You are growing. You are growing. The change has begun. The change has begun. It's the moment of glory. It's the moment of happiness. Well, let me tell you one thing. If you are bored, brother, you are growing. If you are if you are thinking that nothing is changing, but still you are doing that, yes, you are growing. It's take a, it's take time. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. See, one thing. If you want to go anywhere, if you want to do anything, you can do. You can make your efforts. You can make utmost efforts, and you are able to do it. Do it. If you make efforts, if you do everything, one thing which is us, prerequisite, that okay, I'm still here. I just need a torch. I'll be coming back. Okay. Yeah. Yes, I think I'm audible to you. Yes. Yes. I was telling that if you are doing anything, okay, if you are doing anything, but still, one thing is the prerequisite, one thing is the precondition. You have to be patient. You have to take patience. You have to trust yourself. Be honest to yourself. Just, just keep stick to this concept. Be honest to yourself. You don't need to be honest regarding anyone. Be honest to yourself. Just don't try to cheat yourself. If it is, giving it's tough, but do it for you. Manage to do it for you. It will be tough for a time, but that toughness will you will be used to that toughness. You think that you can't do, why? I mean, how dare you to think like that? Do you know any person in the world who can do it, what you are thinking that you can't do? If the answer is yes, then I am telling you 100% it is inevitable that it is bound to happen that you must possess the same quality. You just need to cultivate it, you just need to explore it, you just need to focus on yourself, you just need to practice, brother. It takes time, you have to be patient. You are doing everything, you're taking small step on a regular basis. Congratulations, but it is a long process. It's a long process, brother. I mean, time is going to pass anyway. You cannot stop it. If you quit, I'm telling you, if you quit at this particular moment, do you think that the years will not uh, move on? Of course they are going to move. 17 18 years have gone or have come through, लेकिन अभी भी आप सोच रहे हो कि 2 या 3 साल नहीं गुजरेंगे, भाई देखो 2 या 3 साल में आपको जो है ट्रेसेबल होगी प्रोग्रेस. देन यू विल बी लाइकिंग योर पेन. एंजॉय द पेन. पेन इज रियल ब्रदर. द स्माइल कैन बी फेक, द टीयर्स कैन बी फेक, the love can be fake, but the pain is real. I have heard it. It is evident. It is clear. The pain is real. So, what is real? You can enjoy it. You can enjoy the pain. You can build yourself, and building yourself require पेन इज द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ बिल्डिंग योरसेल्फ. आपने वो कहानी सुनी होगी कि जो पत्थर हथौड़े की मार को नहीं झेल सकता वो कभी मूर्ति नहीं बन सकता. तो आपको हथौड़े की मार तो सहनी पड़ेगी, दर्द होगा, वो आपके ऊपर है. आप स्माइल कर रहे हो या रो रहे हो. आप ये सोचो कि दर्द नहीं होगा, ऐसा मैं कुछ ऐसा कर लूँगा कि दर्द नहीं होगा. नहीं, दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. दैट इज़ अगेंस्ट द लॉज ऑफ नेचर. आपको दर्द होगा, आपको बोरियत फील होगी, आपको फ्रस्ट्रेशन होगा, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि आप नहीं कर सकते, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि आप छोड़ दो, आपको दर्द महसूस होगा. मगर उस समय पे आपका रिएक्शन क्या है, दैट्स मेक द होल डिफरेंस ब्रदर. आप स्माइल कर रहे हो, दर्द हो रहा है. इट्स नॉट बिकॉज कि आपको दर्द नहीं हो रहा है इसलिए आप स्माइल कर रहे हो. नहीं, आपको दर्द हो रहा है, देन स्टिल यू आर स्माइलिंग. अ फेक स्माइल, बट ओके, यू आर स्माइलिंग. इफ यू आर क्राइंग, इट्स ओके. दर्द तो हो ही रहा है ना, बट यू आर नॉट क्विटिंग. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग दैट मैटर्स. डोंट क्विट. इट विल टेक टाइम. लेट इट बी, लेट इट टेक. What we need to do is to keep ourselves on the track at any condition, and we will do it. I promise you that anything, despite being anything, I'll be on the track. I'll be on the track. I'll do it. Despite being any pain, I'll do it. I'll do what I decide. Okay, so if you are not feeling pain, have patience. You would feel. If you are feeling pain, have patience. You will enjoy it. So that's it for today. Let this journey prevail. Jai Hind.